So I'm changing out the battery in this jet ski. And if you take a look at the battery housing, there are 2 bolts on either side, and they are just difficult to get to. So let me show you where it's at. It's way down deep in there. Now, let me show you the trick on how to get a bolt into a difficult place without dropping it. Okay, so here's my bolt, and here's my socket that I'm going to use. All I'm going to do is take a piece of electrical tape. I'm going to cut this one off instead of snapping it off because we want a nice clean piece. Okay. And so I'm going to take my tape, put it sticky side out on top, and then I'm going to take my bolt and just shove it right down. There we go. And now my little pieces are going to fold over and hold the washer in place. There we go. The washer's a little dirty, so the tape doesn't want to stick, but there we go. Now I'll take it, I'll put it down, and tighten it up. There's my setup. Tape with the bolt. Now I'll go put it down into the abyss. Now it's grabbed on, I can feel it, wiggle it out. There you go, the tape's still on there. I could fish it out with a piece of wire if I really wanted to, but I think it'd be just fine. So, let's go ahead and tighten it up. The same thing will work, taking bolts out. I have my socket set up, a piece of tape, sticky side out, and then another ring of it going around the socket to hold it on. So here we go. And push it on. Okay, now let's try to get that washer without dropping it. There we go, success.